गुरुमूर्तये सर्वविद्यानां विषजे भवरोगिणां गुरवे सर्वलोकानां दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। बीजस्यान्तरिवाङ्कुरो जगदिदं प्राङ्निर्विकल्पं पुनः मायाकल्पितदेशकालकलनात् वैचित्रचित्रीकृतं मायावीव विजृम्भयत्यपि महायोगी वयस्वेच्छया। तस्मै श्रीगुरुमूर्तये नमः। इदं श्रीदक्षिणामूर्तये ॐ। प्रातः स्मरामि हृदिसंस्फुरदात्मतत्त्वम् सच्चित्सुखं परमहंसगतिं तुरीयम् यस्वप्नजागरसुषुप्तमवैति नित्यं तद्ब्रह्म निष्कलं न च भूतसङ्गः तद्ब्रह्म निष्कलमहं न च भूतसङ्गः। तत् निष्कलं ब्रह्म अहमस्मि न भूतसंग अस्मि। The word asmi is already discussed in previous 3 lines of the verse. स्मरामि प्रातः हृदि बुद्धो स्फुरत् आत्म तत्वम. Already talked about that. Atma tattvam is me, ahamasmi. What type of atma tattvam? Jagra, swapna, sushupti. All the 3 variable states of consciousness. It is invariable. The awareness which is presence in all 3 states of consciousness, not affected by 3 states of consciousness, waking, dream and deep sleep, Jagrata, Swapna, Sushuptamavaiti, and that is Nityam. These are what? Anityam. Now, a real thing comes here. I am invariable consciousness. With reference to consciousness, everything else is variable. Then you have got 2 things. Variable one called waking and waking world, dream and dream world, and then deep sleep and its experience. Become 3. They are variable, awareness is invariable. Then the problem is you are establishing duality, not non-duality. One is a variable reality, other is invariable reality, and both are independent of each other, it looks as though. Fact is, this variable I have not authored. It is not created by me. It is there, I confront. I interact. We entered this world. We did not create this world. Body is given, senses are given, all things is given. This given Deva Datta, meaningful scheme I am born. Who brought this world into? And this world is a changing reality. And it is meaningful also. There are laws and laws. Law-bound order is also there. Earth moves, therefore day and night. Moves around the sun, therefore we have got year. Moves at certain axis, certain angle, therefore seasons are there. There's so much, both the side it is little flat. Therefore also a lot of things happening, North Pole, South Pole. This globe which is only livable amongst all eyes, no, very meaningful. Therefore, I have not authored this thing. This is changing. It is subject to time. And I am also there who is, if I analyze, I understand, physical body is subject to time. Even in all religion, they always say the soul survives. As such, everything survives. Changing. When soul survives, physical body, the constituent 5 elements also survives. Nothing comes to end. If changing reality is constant, what to talk about non-changing reality? Kutastha, we said. Now come back to the topic. This variable reality called Vyahavarikam Jagat, empirically real. And that non-variable reality, me, consciousness, are they two independent, both running parallel, or one depends on other, or both depends on each other? You have got a relationship like that. One depends on other, other depends on one, correct? Your status of husband, I don't want to add the word handpack husband, I just say husband. Okay. So husband. Now the status of husband is because of what? That is wife. If wife is not there, whose husband you are? And you are not there, whose wife is she? Therefore, both are what? Mutually dependent. So this world depends on me, I depend on this world. Is it like that? Or one is independent, other independent, like a pot and a clay. Clay does not depend on the pot. Pot depends on the clay. This wood does not depend on the table. Table depends on the wood. It's like that relationship. One is independent, other dependent. Or both are independent, or both are interdependent. These are all the questions comes here. Then we answer. Therefore the word in the 4th line, Tat Brahma Asmiti Nishkalam Brahma Ahamasmi Nacha Bhuta Sangaha Ahamasmi. Now come. Yesterday we inquired into the word word Brahman. It comes from the root called Bruhi Vruddha, that which is big. And generally, Mahat is always an adjective to somewhere, something. Bruhan Mumbai Nagara Palika. If anybody from Bombay, Bruhan Mumbai Nagara Palika, Greater Bombay, they say. If you are from south of India, that temple one should see in one's life in Tanjore is called Brihadeshwara and Brihannayaki. 13 feet big long, 13 feet tall linga upper, one piece. Very beautiful temple. Brihadeshwara. There also Brihand word is used there. Brihannayika. Parvati is called Brihannayika there. Brihadaranyaka is what? Aranyam is what? Forest. Nikunja is what you do lot of trimming and everything, they call Nikunja, garden. Forest is the ecology, everything grows, there is symbiosis so much, you can't, everything depend on each other in a way, nature. Forest you can't create, they are there for millions of years. You're not supposed to touch them, leave them. Very dangerous to touch forest. Anyway, there's a Upanishad called Brihadaranyaka. Aranya is what? Like a big forest. Upanishad itself is like what? Big forest. I've been teaching for 7 years one Upanishad. Every day 1.5 hour class. So beautiful. Bigger Upanishad. Greater Bombay. So word big is an adjective qualifying a noun. Now I want to show something which is the big. All the small and things are all included in that. I want to remove all the limits. Kalataha, deshataha, gunataha. The time puts limitation, becomes small. Our lifespan is what? Small. Space-wise, only in America, 22. Individual-wise, only this body. So all this brings limitation to me. There is something which has no limitation. Anantaha na anto vidyate yasya sa anantaha. Therefore, the very adjective we make noun out of it. Brahman. Big. How big I don't say. The big. Now, what is the Lakshana for this Brahman? What is a Brahman? Question can come. If Atma, I know, I am. There is no doubt whether I exist or not. Do you ever ask, मैं हूँ कि नहीं हूँ? Nobody has got doubt. Are you conscious or not? No doubt. Are you always there or not? No doubt. So this is logically one can arrive at in all states of consciousness, waking, dream, deep sleep, there is no absence of me. I am the presence. And whatever I am aware of is always subject to time.